Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Pontiac Vibe. We're going to start right away up front. You have nice chrome accents right there in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Taking a look inside at the cloth interior. And a look at the back seats here as well. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch area. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside now. You have cruise controls mounted to the steering wheel, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Pontiac on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.